Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start by sifting your almond flour and powdered sugar to ensure a smooth batter. Then, whip your egg whites with granulated sugar until they form stiff, glossy peaks. This meringue is the foundation of your macaron shells. The crucial step, macaronage, involves carefully folding the dry ingredients into the meringue. You're looking for batter that flows like slow-moving lava, forming a ribbon when lifted. This perfect consistency is key to achieving those iconic feat. Once your batter is ready, transfer it to a piping bag fitted with a round tip. Pipe uniform circles, about 1.5 inches in diameter, onto parchment paper. After piping, firmly tap the baking sheets on your counter a few times. This helps to release any trapped air bubbles, preventing cracks. Then, let your shells rest at room temperature for 30 to 60 minutes, or until a dry skin forms on top. This resting period is essential. Now, let's adopt some effective study habits to maximize your home learning. Establish a consistent daily study schedule, aiming for at least 2 to 3 dedicated hours. Implement the Pomodoro technique, working in 25-minute focused bursts followed by 5-minute breaks, to maintain high concentration. Remember to take slightly longer breaks, perhaps 15 to 30 minutes, after every 4 Pomodoro cycles to prevent burnout and keep your mind fresh. Now for the best part, assembly. Carefully match up your cooled macaron shells by size. Take one shell and pipe a generous dollop of your raspberry filling onto the flat side. Then, gently place another shell on top, twisting slightly to distribute the filling evenly. For the best flavor and texture, refrigerate your assembled macarons for at least 24 hours. This allows the flavors to meld and the shells to soften slightly, creating that perfect chew.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.